Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and today we'll show you how to change the username of your Gmail account. So let's get started. To start it off, you have to know that Google have blocked any and every way to change your username on your Gmail account from 2020 and onwards. So right now you can't really do that, but what you can do is you can just delete your account and create again another one with the same info, because your previous account will be deleted. Google have blocked that because of using their username shortages and to make your username simple. I'll show you in a few seconds that Google have blocked that. As you can see, I've opened the web browser on my Chrome, and yeah, as you can see, the address you sign up for a Google account to you and others. You can't change the address. Google have clearly specified that, so now you know.